I was raised in a little town called Rosebud, Texas. I grew up on a farm. When I was a little kid and we'd go shopping, I was always so intrigued by business. Everything that I saw them doing, and someday I'm going to have my own business.
After 25 years in the educational and corporate furniture industry, Lorraine did start her own company.
It was a very personal thing, very personal in a small town to be able to make differences in the lives of young people. Very personal for me to see the company go to where it has now.
I learned so much from my mother. My mother told me once, happy people make happy product.
That was always neat to think that the products that went into the educational market were things that made it easier for a child to learn, for our teachers to teach.
What we do is important, and we are changing education in kids' lives for the better.